Stuck with the Ffuprovider Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we prepare the manual solution for Ffuprovider Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Ffuprovider Library, the full flash update Ffuprovider. It manages the localized unmanaged orchestration of sector-level localized OS imaging. It facilitates the localized flashing of localized Windows images onto localized hardware during deployment or recovery. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Ffuprovider Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Ffuprovider Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Ffuprovider Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Ffuprovider library synchronization. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Ffuprovider Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.